she fit it. I told you I would fit my truck in my, well, there's no space right there, but I need to work on this side of the garage, so I think we should be good though, because I need to open the door. Yes, perfect. Now I can work. Oh man, I'm so happy. But actually today's upload is not about this, so I'm sorry, but next upload, because I'm gonna work on this tonight. Today it's a different one, so let's get into it. Today I need to update this so bad. This has been, you know, in my plans forever. I want to do a complete LED lights, and if you are here on the channel now, you don't know, but back when I had the stock headlights, everything was LED. I had the switchbacks, everything was LED, but since I update for the aftermarket, which is pretty much the only option you have for Colorados, I had such a hard time to find switchbacks, also the low beams. The high beams, it's a plug and play from the factory, goes straight to this one, and it's working nice. But the low beams and the switchbacks, as you can see, it's pretty yellow, which I hate it. I don't think goes well with my truck. And since I'm doing the tow mirrors, which they have switchbacks on it too, it's time for an upgrade. LASFIT came with this bulb for this specific headlights, which are the H7. And for the switchbacks, I have a kind of a problem, because as you can see, it's pretty yellow, but a regular switchback, just plug and play, doesn't work on this headlight like it works on the stock one. The stock one is just a plug and play and that's it. So what I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna try to use some resistors from Dynamics, which I had those back in the days I'm getting kind of old here though, but when they didn't have the bulb, there was just a plug and play and turn on switch back. So this should help us to avoid the hyper flashing which I'm getting from this headlight. It's pretty easy, plug and play, and I think it's gonna look way better. I really like my truck all white in LEDs. You can see better, looks better, everything works better, and it's gonna be a good complement to the tow mirrors, everything white. I don't want any amber, but it's a trial, so I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm quite sure the low beams we should be fine, but for the switchbacks, I'm crossing my fingers it's gonna work. If you don't, you're gonna see and you help me with something. This is the low beams, right? Which should be a plug and play. Comes with, I love the way the LASFIT package comes, but the plug, as you can see, it's pretty different, right? So different than the regular one, and should be a plug and play. We should have enough space to put this on. I'll take the stock one and I'll show you exactly how that looks like comparing with this one. There's a link in the description below if you wanted this, and you also can take a 10 or 20% off on using my code. There's a code in the description, a link, so everything is just in one click away. This is probably the worst side to work on because we have so many things on the way. You just need to make up space, so I really don't want to remove this box though. Alright, let's try the other side first so we have an idea what we're doing here. There are 2 screws on it, which is not fun, but it is what it is. You just have to remove it. Oops. There we go. Look how white is this. This is the stock one, the yellow. Look at this, so much better, dude. But it's kind of a pain. I have another aftermarket headlight here, and I'll explain to you guys how that works. See, there's those 2 screws. You gotta loosen them up, and then this bracket comes out, and then you unplug the bulb and then plug it back on. Now I'm gonna work on because this I'm not sure if it's gonna work or not with the Dynamics resistors on this one. Let's try. This is the LASFIT switchbacks. If you have a stock headlights, should be a plug and play. You don't need to do the resistors like I'm doing. So if you plug this, it's gonna be LED when it's on running, and it's gonna be amber when the turn signal goes on. But because I have aftermarket headlights, we need to try the resistor, which I'm not even sure if it's gonna work. doesn't work, I'll find another solution. You guys help me out. Let's put the resistors on first. Those are from Dial Dynamics. They are 20 bucks. I hope they work. I had an install video on this that I did a while back. My truck even had the lift back then. So I'll leave a link in the description below for the install. I'm not gonna show the details, you just go there and watch, but it's the same, it should be the same process, right? Hours later, we are good. This is the running line. And you see the resistor here? One goes to this green and yellow, and the other one goes to the black. And here's the resistor. I'm gonna put everything back on, and we're gonna look at it. Now, the low beams. Low beams! Ooh, LED boys. LEDs in the house. Dude, so much better. And high beams. High beams. Yes. Yes, 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 yeah. That's what I want. All white. Good to go. Look at that on the camera, dude. So much better. Now we are going to the worst part, which is the passenger side, because there's the cold air intake. It's on the way. You guys enjoy some time lapse. Then I'm gonna face that baby right there. I'm halfway taking the cold air intake and put the bulb, put the LED on, but look at the difference, right? This is the old one, and this is the new one. Look at how massive the new one, because it has a vent on it. So I'll put it back on. You don't want to see this boring stuff. Put it back on, right? That's it. It's kind of hard to see it, but dude, so much better. I think now the truck kind of blends perfect, and there's a more modern looking at it when you look at it. And once I put the tow mirrors, which should be the next upload, dude, it's gonna look so nice. Again, let me know what you think, if that's the best move. Of course, I'm not about, you know, the old yellow. I don't think it makes sense. Oh, we need the light fog. We need the fog lights. All right, now with the fog lights on, there we go. There we go, boys. Look at that. So much better, right? So much better. Yeah, we're done. Overall, the passenger side kind of kills you, but it's definitely durable. But if you have the stock headlights, it should be so much easier, because the way the bulb plug on the headlights, it's way easier, no doubt. I'm excited to have that. Now it's time for the tow mirrors. I cannot wait. Again, if you want any LED lights for your car or truck, especially Colorado and Corvette, there are links below, and you can take a discount with the promo code that I'm gonna leave here. Take advantage though, those are pretty quality. Everything on this truck, it's that kind of, it's LASFIT LED, and also on my Corvette. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'll catch you guys next one. Never forget, enjoy life and work hard for it. Oh, forgot to show you guys with the light bar on. Little bonus if you watch here. Thank you.